Hello, my name is Amy, and I'm a Renewal by Andersen Concierge. What does that mean exactly? Well, it means that just because a Renewal by Andersen replacement window and door project is completed doesn't mean the relationship with our customers ends there. Our windows, doors, and our installation are backed by the nation's best warranty. And someone like myself is here for you as a single point of contact should you ever need any assistance. Whether it be a service matter or just a quick refresher on how your windows operate, we'll be here for you. Give our toll-free number a call and you'll be connected with an actual Renewal by Andersen employee, ready to help with any questions or concerns you may have. So please, if you ever do choose Renewal by Andersen for your replacement window and door project, feel free to give us a call anytime. To begin your signature service experience, click now.